If you're getting this type of message isn't supported yet, error on Instagram, here are a few ways you can fix it. This issue usually happens when using Instagram Lite because some messaging features, like disappearing messages, may not be fully supported. First, open the Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram Lite. If there's an update available, install the latest version, and then check if the problem is fixed. If the issue still appears, try using the official Instagram app instead of Instagram Lite and test the messages there. Another common fix is turning off disappearing messages. To do this, open the chat where the error appears and tap on the person's username at the top of the conversation. Next, look for the disappearing messages option. If it's enabled, turn it off. After disabling it, go back to the chat and try sending the message again. In many cases, the message will send normally once disappearing messages are turned off because that feature may not be supported in Instagram Lite. Hopefully this tutorial helped you fix the Instagram message error. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.